This is Johnathan Walters. Welcome to the future of air warfare. Today, we're diving into the world of sixth-generation fighter jets. Machines so advanced, they redefine the very concept of air dominance. From cutting-edge stealth and AI to drone swarms and next-gen propulsion, we explore the technologies, missions, and nations racing to control the skies. Sixth-generation fighters represent a leap beyond today's fifth-gen jets like the F-35 or J-20. At their core are six transformative tech pillars: hypersensor, fusion, and AI. These jets process mountains of sensor data, radar, infrared, electronic warfare, into a single battlefield picture using onboard AI and advanced combat cloud networks. Pilots wear AR, VR-enabled helmets that override traditional cockpits, 360 degrees vision with AI-driven threat analysis, manned, unmanned, teaming. These fighters fly alongside loyal wingman drones, reconnaissance, jamming, decoys, expanding mission flexibility and reducing risk. Adaptive propulsion, new variable cycle or hybrid engines deliver burst speed Mach 2+, and supercruise with peak fuel efficiency. Directed energy weapons, aircraft-mounted lasers or high-power microwaves can intercept enemy missiles in flight, broad-spectrum stealth and EW. These jets are built to counter every radar band, centimetric, metric, and decimetric, potentially impervious to next-gen tracking systems. Modular and software-defined architecture. Open systems allow rapid upgrades. Software patches or new sensor kits can be uploaded mid-mission. These aren't just planes, they're airborne command hubs, cyber warfare platforms, and drone motherships all in one. Section 2. Mission profiles. What can these fighters do? Their roles extend far beyond air-to-air combat, air superiority and SEAD. Penetrate deep enemy air defenses, neutralize surface-to-air threats using stealth and lasers. BVR engagement, launch advanced missiles beyond radar range guided by fused sensor data, electronic and cyber warfare. Jam, hack, or blind enemy radars via integrated EW suites. Drone hive control, launch and direct swarms of autonomous UAVs for recon, attack, or decoy operations. Hypersonic strikes and space ops, carry hypersonic weapons. Russia's PAK-DP, MiG-41, may even reach edge-of-space speeds above Mach 4 with anti-satellite ability. Suborbital reach. Some designs aim for suborbital flight for global rapid response. Section 3. Global programs and prototypes. United States, NGAD, Boeing F-47. In the US, the NGAD program focuses on a manned fighter coordinating autonomous drones. Boeing's F-47 won a $20 billion contract and reportedly began test flights years ago. Capabilities include stealth, adaptive engine tech, long-range 1,500 plus NM, and directed energy armament. GCAP, Tempest, and a Mitsubishi FX. Britain, Italy, and Japan joined forces under GCAP in 2022. The Tempest, with Italy and Sweden and Japan's FX, share a digital combat cloud, AI-coordinated systems, and are due for flight in 2027, entering service circa 2035. Tempest includes AR cockpit, 10,000X data-rich radar, and energy weapon readiness. Europe FCAS, France, Germany, Spain. The FCAS program is a system of systems with a new generation fighter, accompanying drones and combat cloud. Demonstrator ops slated for 2027. China SAC J-36 and Chengdu J-36 debuted in December 2024. A tailless diamond wing tri-engine design with stealth and long-range fuel capacity. Russia PAK-DP MiG-41. Russia's hypersonic interceptor project, PAK-DP or MiG-41, aims for Mach 4 plus Max and Mach 3 cruise at stratospheric altitude with anti-sat weapons and laser defenses. Maiden flight is anticipated mid-2025. Others, Turkey TFX, India, etc. Turkey's TFX is a homegrown stealth fighter in development with AESA radar and drone synergy. India is evaluating whether to develop its own under its IAF Fleet Challenge. Section 4. The race and future outlook. The sixth-gen fighter race isn't just about aircraft, it's strategic dominance. Nations are pushing innovation cycles, adaptive engines, laser weapons, and AI networks converge into airborne command platforms. But timelines may slip under cost and tech risk. So what does the sky hold for us? Sixth-generation fighters will be AI-driven, networked, multi-role war machines. Part stealth jet, part airborne command center, part drone hive leader, part laser cannon. Each nation races to define the battlefield of tomorrow. I'm Johnathan Walters. Subscribe and hit the bell to explore what comes next, because the future of air power is already taking flight.